Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending June 12th, the major indexes were up and down, but gained for the week as optimism that the crisis in the Middle East may be ending soon. The U.S. trade deficit was slightly higher than expected in April at $56.6 billion, with imports at $383 billion and exports at $327.1 billion. Existing home sales in May were up 3.2% from April. By region, existing home sales in the Northeast are down 8% compared to May of last year. The Midwest was up 2%, the South is up 5.9%, and the West was up 5.6% from last year. Existing home prices were up 1.3%. The Consumer Price Index came in as expected, up 0.5% in May, 4.2% year over year. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, was up 0.2%, 2.9% year over year. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, increased more than expected in May, up 1.1%, but the April increase of 1.4% was revised down to 1.1%, which makes the 1.1% increase in May slightly less concerning. And finally, the preliminary Consumer Sentiment Index for June was higher than expected at 48.9% compared to 44.8% in May. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 6.5%, the S&P is up 8.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 11.1%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.48%. Oil closed at $84.37 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,208.96 an ounce, with silver closing at $67.99 an ounce. For this week of June 15th, Monday we'll get individual industrial production data. Tuesday, the Import Price Index, housing starts, and building permits will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get retail sales, pending home sales, the Home Builder Confidence Index, and business inventories. Also on Wednesday, the Fed's decision on interest rates will be reported, followed by Fed Chairman Walsh's press conference. And on Thursday, initial jobless claims will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.